I had a friend in school who drove me crazy. While I was buried in books surviving on coffee at 2 a.m., he was always out, playing football, gaming, just chilling. But when results came out, he got straight A stars, and I didn't. I used to think he was a natural genius. But then I saw his system. It wasn't about studying more, it was about a specific method. Hello, I'm Devansh Rathi, and today I'm going to give you the exact IGCSE toppers timetable to help you stop working hard and start working smart. Step 1. You have to face your fears. Toppers don't start with what they like, they start with what's hard. You need to create a priority list starting from your weakest subject to your strongest. For most of you, that looks like physics or chemistry at the top, followed by maths, computer science, and finally economics or biology. By fixing the weakest links first, you ensure your brain battery is used on the toughest topics. Now let's look at the morning. Toppers don't wake up and immediately open a textbook. Wake up at 6:30, exactly 30 minutes before you start getting ready for school. But here is the secret. Don't study in these 30 minutes. Use this time to mentally map out your day. When you plan your goals before the school bell rings, your brain stays subconsciously focused on those targets all day long. When you plan, don't just say, I will study today. You need to assign specific minutes based on your priority list. Look at this balance. Give 1 hour and 30 minutes to the heavy hitters like physics and chemistry. As you move down the list to your stronger subjects like economics, drop the time to 40 or 50 minutes. This ensures your maximum energy goes where it's needed most. A common question I get is, how long is enough? Toppers aim for 4 hours of pure self-study. Now pay attention. That is excluding school, homework, and tuitions. If you aren't putting in 4 hours of independent practice, you aren't mastering the syllabus. This is where the A star is actually made. Ideal timetable. Let's down the full 24-hour cycle. Let's start from 3 p.m. 3 to 4:30 p.m. This is your recovery zone. You have just finished 7 hours of school. Your brain is fried. Eat, shower, and relax. If you skip this, you will burn out by 7 p.m. 4:30 to 5:30 p.m. Clear your homework. This is busy work. Get it out of the way early so it doesn't distract you during deep study. 5:30 to 7 p.m. Session 1. This is your longest block because these subjects require deep work. You have the most mental clarity now. 7:15 to 8:15 p.m. Maths is active. Since you might be getting tired, solving equations keeps you awake better than reading. Now take a 45 minutes break where you have dinner and relax. Maybe some of you might be watching TV or going out with friends to play something. So you can do this in this slot. Now let's move on to sessions 3 and 4. We use shorter blocks for CS and biology because your concentration span is shrinking. By switching subjects frequently late at night, you trick your brain into staying alert. 11 p.m. Lights out. Sleep is where your memory consolidates. No all-nighters allowed. If your subjects are different and you want a customizable version of this timetable, just drop a comment below and I will send it over. Also check the pinned comment. I'm personally compiling a Google Drive of topical past papers. Physics and chemistry are already done and the rest are coming this week. Subscribe so you don't miss me solving these questions live the day before your exam. I'm Devansh Rathi. Let's go get those A stars together. See you in the next one. Curated by Maths and Science Genius, which is me, Devansh Rathi. Do comment if you have any doubts. See you in the next video.